Welcome to JH. Here is the simple process for obtaining your Airtel Esim QR code. Before starting, verify that your smartphone is eSIM compatible. While most modern iPhones and premium Android models support this feature, you should confirm this in your device settings or on the manufacturer's site. To begin, message Airtel by opening your texting app and sending "I'm" followed by your email address to 121. Ensure this email is already registered with your Airtel account. If successful, you will receive a response from 121. Simply reply with the number 1 to proceed. If your email is not linked or is incorrect, Airtel will provide instructions for updating it, which may require using the Airtel Thanks app or visiting a local store. After confirming via text, expect a verification call from Airtel. You must answer this automated or live call to give final consent. Otherwise, your request will be voided. Once approved, check your inbox for an email containing your unique eSIM QR code. Keep this code confidential and scan it promptly. For iPhone users, navigate to Settings, then Mobile Data, and select Add Data Plan. Android users should go to Settings, Network and Internet, then SIMs to add the eSIM. Note that menu names may vary by device. After scanning, your eSIM should be fully operational within 2 hours. You are now ready to use your Airtel eSIM.